First time Brevard Zoo. Brevard County Zoo. It's alive. So it's all the way out here in Melbourne, Florida. What do we got here? Birds. They eat newspapers. Can we just peck at them? Meerkats, right?
Yeah.
Just like nature, PVC piping. Diggers.
Sotolos are African rock down here. He's about 9 feet.
17-foot long snake. It's a python.
Oh, please don't tap the glass.
Yeah, that scares them.
Oh, we're gonna open over here now.
You can go through.
Oh, really?
Another guy, there's a lot.
See any from here?
Yeah, I saw one. Yeah, there's one. Stand over.
Like way down there?
You see there's one on the table.
Oh yeah, way over there.
You just walk by him.
Yeah, he's eating. Alright. Yeah, big fish. Definitely like tilapia.
What's the brown liquid?
Smell them.
Shrimp and
Corn,
Ooh, look at that.
some
fish is
Wheaties.
different.
So what they're eating?
Look at that fish, Daddy. It's different. It's white.
Rubber. Oh yeah, he's a little wider, huh?
Carp.
Yeah, it could be some carp in there too.
To the slopes we go.
We got vulture. 1, 2, 3 vultures.
Look at the tree. There's a big
Oh,
nest.
jeez. Yeah.
Oh, where's the nest? Oh yeah, there's a nest.
Throw it out far though. Throw it out like in the middle. There you go. Like piranha.
They are a bit big. So
A lot of glare. I don't think you'll see it.
Ooh, look at that dude.
That's a gar. Used to catch those all the time. Alligator gar.
You throw it out. Wow.
Savage. Where's the fly?
More fish over here, guys.
Further that way.
Sunken boat. You don't want to be on that tour.
Eat it.
Expanding out, huh?
Here, let me try to get a picture with it.
Okay, you guys, only in half, because they have to be able to wrap their tongue around it.
Oh.
So it has to be big enough for that.
Big boy. In half.
Tear it in half.
Go in half.
In the middle. Yeah, there you go, Ben. Rip it like a paper. There you go.
Bigger.
That's good.
Okay, we don't go on the top of your thing.
Mommy has it. Mommy has it. He's eating well today.
Little stinker butt.
Good job, Cordy.
Really? There's two.
They're stripping the branches of the leaves.
This guy wants some. Feed the other guy.
My boy.
I'm gonna feed the small ones. Are you done? You done?
He started walking away.
See how that one's pattern's different than these other blue apps? It's a different,
Later, Jeffrey.